Hi, welcome to my first video decorating an acrylic keychain. So I already cut out my adhesive vinyl. My SVG is from antite.com, and that is the design that says the sass is strong with this one. So now what I'm doing is just peeling back the protective sheet off of the acrylic keychain. So I just used my Cricut weeding tool to kind of start that protective sheet and then just pull it back. So now what I'm going to do is use the transfer tape to help lift that adhesive vinyl off of its backing. And I'm just going to use my little scraper to press it down. And once that's all nice and pressed, I will just go ahead and take the top part of the transfer tape off. And the nice thing about the Oracal vinyl is that the color is on both sides. So if I wanted to leave one side of this keychain blank, it would still look nice. So really, it's up to you however you would like to decorate this. Some people make some really awesome keychains with epoxy and glitter. And I'm just starting out, so I don't feel like I'm ready for that step yet, but it is something that I'd like to try in the future. So now I'm just pressing down with my scraper, making sure that the vinyl is adhered to the keychain, and then I'll just go ahead and peel back that transfer tape. And now I'm going to get my strong grip transfer tape because the backing of my keychain is the Cricut glitter adhesive vinyl, which is, I've heard, pretty much, I don't want to say impossible, but really hard to use with standard grip transfer tape. So this is where the standard grip comes in handy. And you don't want to use standard grip on regular adhesive vinyl because that can be a nightmare. Trust me on that one. So once I cut out the transfer tape, I'll just go ahead and place that on top of the glitter vinyl. So that will be the backing to my keychain. So notice how the part you see right now is this like magenta purpley color. That's super pretty. But on the inside, the part you don't see, it's a silver glitter. So that will actually be the part that you see behind my purple vinyl. The sass is strong with this one. So once I get that pressed down, I'll need to go ahead and take the protective backing off of the keychain. So I'm just using my weeding tool again to get that area started so I could pull back. And I'm guessing you could probably scratch the acrylic, so just be careful when you're doing that with a weeding tool. And now this part, I tried to line up the circle on the vinyl with the circle on the keychain, and that was giving me some trouble. So I just edited that part out because I had to get in really close, and I don't think you guys want to see the back of my head while I'm trying to line that up. So just keep in mind, it's something that you want to be close to when you're applying, that if you're standing up like I was in this video, it probably wouldn't give you the best result. So once I line it up as good as it's going to get, I'm just pressing it down with my scraper, and I'll go ahead and lift that transfer tape off of the vinyl. And the circle isn't lined up perfectly, but I'm just going to keep it the way it is because if I keep messing with it, it's probably not going to look so great. So that is my first official acrylic keychain using adhesive vinyl. I think it turned out pretty well. And then I just attached the keyring part. I forget the proper name. That's the back side of it. Pretty cute. So thank you for watching. I hope I've inspired you to try an acrylic keychain. Thanks. Bye.